Welcome to the top best. The best pool leak sealer is probably one of the most essential products for any pool owner. Dealing with leaks can be a real headache, leading to water loss, expensive repairs, and potential damage to your pool structure. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of pool leak sealers, exploring what they are, how they work, and how to choose the right one for your needs. Number 5. Atlas Minerals Pool and Spa Repair 2-Part Set. This 2-part set makes repairing your pool or spa easy. It's designed for do-it-yourself projects, saving you time and money. Whether the damage is above or below the water line, this product can handle it. You can apply it without draining your pool. It works on a variety of surfaces, including concrete and fiberglass. This versatile product is a must-have for pool and spa owners. The hand-moldable putty is safe and easy to use. Simply mix it, mold it, and apply it to the affected area. Once applied, the putty hardens underwater, effectively stopping leaks and filling cracks. It won't shrink or sag over time. You don't need to drain your pool to use this product. Its unique formula allows it to cure and harden underwater. Don't let chipped or broken tiles ruin the look of your pool. This product can repair and restore them, making your pool look new again. What we like. This product is incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. It's designed to be applied underwater, saving you the hassle of draining your pool. If you have chipped tiles or small cracks, this is the perfect solution for a quick and effective fix. What people say. I used this to fix a pretty large leak in my concrete and ground pool underwater. It hardens after a couple of days but starts working immediately. This is an outstanding putty sealer for pool and works great underwater. Works fine to repair leaks where skimmer box meets tiles in gunite pools. Number 4. UGL DRYLOK Fast Plug Hydraulic Cement 4 pounds. Are you tired of water leaks? This product is designed to stop water instantly. It's a fast and effective solution for your needs. Time is of the essence, and this product understands that. It sets in just 3 to 5 minutes, providing a quick fix for your problems. Perfect for masonry cracks, this product is your go-to solution. It's specifically designed to fill and seal cracks effectively, ensuring long-lasting results. Need to anchor metal to masonry? This product does the job. It creates a strong bond, ensuring stability and durability. This product is built to last. It can withstand up to 3,050 pounds of hydrostatic pressure, offering superior performance and reliability. Whether it's inside or outside, this product is versatile. It can be used to patch mortar joints, cracks, and holes, providing a comprehensive solution. What we like. This hydraulic cement is a lifesaver when you need a fast solution. It sets in just minutes and can withstand significant water pressure. If you're dealing with a sudden leak or need a quick fix for masonry cracks, you should consider this. What people say. I mixed the powder inside the bowl itself and used a paintbrush to spread the rapidly drying mixture around the perimeter. This thing dries really fast, 5 minutes. Once applied, it created a robust waterproof barrier that effectively stopped water ingress in previously problematic areas. Number 3. Better Boat Marine Sealant and Adhesive. This heavy-duty elastomeric sealant provides superior strength above and below the waterline. It's designed to repair seams and stop leaks, perfect for sealing ports and windshields. It remains flexible, adapting to various weather conditions. The sealant forms a tough, flexible, and permanent bond. It's resistant to UV light, saltwater, rain, and more. The Fast Cure formula cures white and can be sanded and painted, unlike silicone-based products. This marine adhesive works on various surfaces, including fiberglass, glass, plastic, metal, and wood. It's ideal for repairing windshields, joints, hardware, and even for use on aluminum boats, RVs, and autos. Made in the USA by boaters, for boaters, this premium marine sealant adheres to strict, tested standards. You'll find that this product is no exception to the exceptional quality Better Boat provides. Better Boat is an American company offering premium boat detailing supplies. They provide the tools and products needed to make caring for your boat easier, so you can enjoy more time on the water with their products. What we like. This marine sealant offers a flexible and permanent bond, perfect for various applications. It's resistant to UV light and saltwater, ensuring long-lasting performance. If you're looking for a versatile sealant for your boat, pool deck, or any other project, you should consider this. What people say. I don't know what people are crying about. Its sealant and works great. Flow is nice. Tape off your areas where you don't want sealant, flatten it out with your finger and pull the tape off after, plus it comes in colors. I use gray. It worked good for my application, garage siding contact with my concrete. Applied easily and good sealing. Easy to use, good adherence. Number 2. Marlig Fix Pool and Spa Leak Sealer 32 ounces 2-pack. Introducing the Marlig Fix Pool and Spa Leak Sealer. This product is designed to seal leaks in your pool or spa, ensuring a worry-free experience. It is a reliable solution for maintaining water levels. This product is proudly made in Canada. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship of this leak sealer. It's a testament to Canadian manufacturing standards. The Marlig Leak Sealer requires no assembly. Simply apply it according to the instructions, and let it work its magic. It's designed for ease of use and convenience. This is a 2-pack of the 32-ounce size, providing you with ample supply. This ensures you have enough to handle multiple leaks or for future use. It's a great value for your money. The product dimensions are 12 by 12 by 39,370.1. It is compact and easy to store when not in use. It is designed to be efficient and effective. What we like. This product is simple to use and comes ready to go, with no assembly required. If you're looking for a straightforward solution from a trusted brand, you should consider this. What people say. The Marlig Fix A Leak works. I watched carefully for any further drop in the pool water level. To my great surprise, it was apparent that the leaking stopped, not just slowed, but stopped. I used 2 bottles at once and followed the instructions. I was very skeptical for the first 2 days, but, after letting it set, it is now holding water. No leaks. Number 1. Atlas Pool Epoxy Leak Sealer Kit. Tired of pool leaks? This professional-grade white underwater epoxy putty is the solution. It contains both resin and catalyst, allowing you to repair the leak without draining your pool. No experience is needed. This DIY bundle includes step-by-step instructional videos. They show you how to mix the putty and make it stick to any surface. Common leak locations are also shown. This product has hundreds of uses. It can be used on pools, spas, homes, autos, and boats. You can sand, drill, or saw it to your specifications. With decades of experience, this kit offers a convenient, reliable, and easy-to-use repair system. It's designed to make pool and spa repairs simple. This product works on spa spillways, return jets, lights, bottom drains, and pool plaster. It's a comprehensive solution for your leak problems. What we like. This kit offers professional-grade quality with the added benefit of instructional videos. It's designed to help you get the job done right the first time, even if you're a DIY novice. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution with expert guidance, you should consider this. What people say. It sealed my pool leak quickly and effectively, and the bond is strong and durable. The instructions are clear, and the kit is user-friendly. I had no trouble mixing and applying the putty, even underwater. Completely stopped the leak. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.